Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, we know that now biometrics have been started in India finally using a method that IRCC has been following in conjugation with VFS. So guys, whenever something starts, it also opens a window for scam, and especially in a big country like India, the scope is gonna be even higher for doing scams and deceive innocent people. So that is why I'm making this video. I had warned this earlier also, but now when I see the official announcement from the embassy of Canada in India, I think this is the right time to publish this information. So as you can see, they have clearly said, beware of fraud. Biometric appointments are free, and the only way to confirm an appointment is through the VFS contact center. You must have a unique BIL issued directly by IRCC in order to request an appointment. So I'll tell you why it is free. Because when you apply for your IRCC application, you pay the biometrics fee upfront while submitting your application. I mean, when you go through your IRCC application, if it's required, then you pay the fee there itself. So that is why there's no point in collecting the fee again. So that is why be very careful if somebody calls you, because nowadays I have seen, like, when social media is used in abundance, people publish their problems, solution, situation along with their personal details everywhere, including even in comment boxes. I see my subscribers exchanging their phone numbers, email addresses. Of course, I don't delete them because it's for themselves, but at the same time, you are not sharing your details with the person you intend to. Others also see it, and you don't know the others what they are going to do with it. And when you describe your problem, they come to know about your situation also. So be very careful, guys, if you are doing that. And they have also said, do not use a local agent unless they are recognized by IRCC as an authorized agent. Otherwise you may be at risk of fraud. This is now too much going on everywhere in the world. It is important that you provide us with your contact information so that we can share important information update directly with you. Do not send multiple web form submissions. All right. So yes, IRCC has clearly said this, and I have said this in other videos as well, that with this process there is a good scope for scammers to hit you. So be very careful, guys. See from which account it has come, and make sure you are going through official website only, because nowadays for scammers, fraudsters, it's very easy to create some copied website where they can collect your personal information, money, and anything that they can use for some benefits you can't even imagine. So be very careful, guys. Thank you.